In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any problem that you have with the Instagram filters or effects. So just keep watching until the end. It's very easy to solve, so please don't worry. All what you have to do is just go to the settings and then go to the wireless and the networks option on your phone. This is working for iPhone and also for the Android. So just enable the airplane mode from here and disable it again after 1 minute, and then go back and go to the apps, on your phone, go to Instagram and click here on force stop, and after that turn off your phone and turn it on again or restart it. That's it, guys, and I am sure the problem is gonna be solved. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe.